Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to turn off Ford Explorer interior lights. First, look up at your overhead console, usually found near the rearview mirror. You'll see a button, often labeled with a light bulb icon, that controls the dome lights. Simply press this button to switch the interior lights off. Make sure it isn't stuck or accidentally engaged, as this is a common reason for lights staying on. Next, let's check your dashboard dimmer switch. This control is usually a small dial or button located on the left side of your steering wheel. Rotate it downwards or counterclockwise to decrease the brightness of your interior lights. Continuing to turn it down will often switch them off entirely. Sometimes, pushing the dial in can also reset its function. Another common reason for interior lights staying on is an open door or a faulty door sensor. Double-check that all 4 doors, the trunk, and even the hood are completely shut. If a door isn't fully latched, the car thinks it's still open, keeping the courtesy lights illuminated. Sometimes, a small object can prevent a full closure. Finally, your Ford Explorer might have interior light settings accessible through its infotainment system. Navigate through the menus to find options like interior lighting or courtesy light delay, and adjust them as needed. If you've tried these steps and the lights still won't turn off, it's a good idea to consult your owner's manual for model-specific troubleshooting or consider professional assistance.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.